Okay, Holden Commodore with a park brake warning light and the park brake not working. Okay, so if I pull this on, it switches on, and then if I move the vehicle, I get a park brake warning light, and obviously the park brake does not work. Okay, if I scan this, it will actually give me a code for the park brake slipping. Okay, so we are looking at adjustment on this, adjusting up the handbrake shoes. Okay, so with the wheels off the ground, this has got convenient mags which allows me to get at the adjusting hole here. So this just has a rubber bung in it that you need to pull out. Normally you'll need to take the wheels off to get to this, but just because of the type of wheel on this means we can get to it without taking that off. So yeah, in through this hole, these are the little rubber bungs that you'll see in there. Just got to pull those out. So I just use a long nose plier, just get one side in and then pull it out. Okay, and then you want to turn the wheel until you can see the little geared cog on the adjuster. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're just going to turn that one way until the wheel locks up. If the wheel's not getting tighter, we need to go back the other way. Sometimes you can see the little plunger moving out. You're going to make sure it's moving out and not in, so you're tightening up. And we want to do it until the wheel won't turn anymore and the tensioner, the adjuster goes tight, and then we back it back off so we can turn the wheel again. Okay, but what we can see on this side, because you want to make sure your handbrake levers are back, the one on this side is actually pulled up, it's tight, which means we may have a cable adjustment issue. See how relaxed that one is compared to that one. So what we want to do is we want to find our electronic mechanism that will have the cable attached to it and see if there's any adjustment on that cable. Okay, so we've got this to release now. So the control unit for this is up in here, up above all this. We can see the cables up through here. So all I've done is pulled the cable just to balance a bit between each side. Okay, and now we're going to adjust up our wheels like we explained before, and then we will do a calibration with the scan tool. Okay, so this is the left hand side of the car, and pushing the wheel down like that. So the wheel is going in a clockwise direction, has tightened it. Okay, so we're at the point now where this is getting tight and the wheel can't be moved. Okay, so now we're just going to back it off by turning it anti-clockwise now. Cool. So we just want to make sure that it can be turned freely by hand, forwards and backwards. Okay, and then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Let's see which way we're going to turn this one. Yeah, so this one is going to turn the other way, so we're lifting the wheel up. So again, the wheel itself is turning clockwise, but it's on the other side. Okay, and we can feel that go firm. Yeah. Okay. And then we're just going to back it off so we can turn that wheel again. little bit more. Okay, it's pretty free there now. Okay, now we're going to run our calibration. So just on the scan tool, I've already come into the electric park brake module. We are going to go special function, parking brake calibration. There's a couple of parameters there, we've already got those set. Okay, and we're just going to hit start, and you'll see it running the motor back and forward. So it can find its positions. Okay. Right, so that is the calibration done. Now we can bring it down and try it. Let's try it now. I've got engine running. Gonna pull our park brake on. Okay, foot on the accelerator. Oh, sorry, actually we'll go in reverse. Foot on the accelerator. So it's going to release itself, but we don't get the warning light. If I hold it up, then we can stall test it. When I say stall test it, you're not trying to take the thing to a stall, you're just making sure it's holding while you're trying to accelerate away. And that park brake is now working, no more warning light, problem fixed. Okay, I hope that has helped you out today. Don't forget to click the like button and also click the subscribe while you're there. We've got a bunch of diagnostic solutions and tips and tricks for professional mechanics like ourselves, and also for the serious DIYs at home. So click that subscribe and the bell so you get notified, and we will see you in the next video.